skincare cased clutches. So those are 3 words in a unique combination to describe a unique area of 3 meters squared on Earth, to say where I am at this very moment. The advantage of this is that if I needed to contact the emergency services for any reason, if I give those 3 words, they can pinpoint my location straight away. So we'll dive into this after the intro. Okay, I'm doing this video from outside at the moment. I'm picking some people up at the station within the next hour or so, and I won't get a chance to record at home, so I'm just going to do this out here. So at the moment I'm at a place called Passerelle de Beauvry. It's in Liège in Belgium, and we'll go into the application here and see what it shows us. Okay, at the Passerelle de Beauvry, it's in Liège. It's just near the railway station where I'm going to be meeting up with some people soon. It's a public holiday here in Belgium, 15th of August, and so there's some people coming to stay over for a few days. I'm not going to have a chance to do this video at home. So this is the River Meuse. Goes from France, some place in France, goes through to the North Sea in the Netherlands. In the Netherlands it becomes the Maas. This is the app. It doesn't really need much explanation. You can see what's going on. As I'm moving across, you will see how the locations change every 3 meters along. So anytime that you need to give a precise location to anyone, just use this app. If they need to give a precise location to you, they can give you the 3 words. You put it in the app, you use the app to find them. Okay, I hope that's clear. Any questions, let me know. And thank you very much, and speak again soon. I'll send out another video next week. Okay, roughly the same time.